Experiencing a single PC Fan RGB not working can be incredibly frustrating. But we're diving straight into the fixes right now. If your fan setup has one single fan RGB not working, the first step is always to check your RGB control software. Often, a simple update or a clean reinstall of your fan's dedicated software like iCUE or Armoury Crate can resolve corrupted profiles or driver conflicts. If that doesn't immediately restore your vibrant lighting, the issue usually points to physical connections, which brings us to method 2. Power down your entire system, unplug it, and carefully open your PC case. Inspect every cable connected to that specific fan, both its power and RGB headers. A loose or partially seated connection is a common culprit, so reseat everything firmly. Don't underestimate the power of a solid connection. If your PC still shows a single fan RGB not working after securing cables, our third approach involves your motherboard's BIOS or a CMOS reset. Access your BIOS settings, navigate to the RGB control section, and reset those specific fan header configurations. This can clear any stuck settings that are preventing the RGB signal. Finally, if all else fails, method 4 is about isolation. Test that problematic fan on a different RGB header on your motherboard, or try a known good fan on the original header. This helps pinpoint whether the fan itself is faulty or if the motherboard header has an issue. One of these steps will get your RGB fan glowing again.